for tuning in to my channel. It has been a while since my last video. I'm so sorry. I've been busy with so many things. But anyway, a quick video here to show you 5 ways or 5 websites where you can learn copywriting for free. There's so many options out there. Now, why copywriting? Copywriting is so vital to your business as an internet marketer or freelancer, whatever you want to call it. Email marketing is a must. You need good copywriting skills. It should be instead of paying someone to do the copywriting, isn't it good to learn a high income? Copywriting is a high income skill, and if you learn it and if you master it, you can not only do wonders for yourself, but you can even sell your service to customers who want or don't have time to learn. So if you can master it, it's great. So here, without any delay, I'm going to go right in. So bear with me, guys. So the first website is called edx.org. As you can see on the page here, edx.org. If you just Google that, now all you have to do is go to courses and then go to language, click on language, and then all your courses here that you can watch, learn. So the ones are in white, I think those are the 2 ones that English are free. Now you can click on them, and these dark ones are paid, you have to pay, and these are obviously Italian language courses. So these are again Japanese language there. So that's called edx.org. Check it out, go there. And the next one is Coursera. Now Coursera, you can join for free, make an account, join for free, and you go to explore, and then you go to arts and humanities, and then you click on free courses. I believe that is, no, sorry, I do apologize. So click on that, view all skills, click on that, and then click on writing, and these are all courses relating to copywriting, writing, creative writing is part of copywriting. All these courses, you can have a look at it, go check it out. So that's Coursera.org. Okay, Coursera.org. I'll leave all the links below in the description, so check it out there. The third one is called Udemy.com. Udemy.com, I'm sure everyone knows that. Again, all you have to do, go the main website and then type in copywriting, and then scroll down, click on price and select free, and all free courses relating to copywriting will come up on there. Look, it's all these hacks, all this, you can see nearly 5 stars courses are free courses, guys. These are so these are all free. You can see, look, see, free. It's amazing. So check it out. It's called Udemy.com. And the fourth one is called HubSpot Academy. HubSpot Academy, again, see, there you go. And this one, you click on courses, and then categories. Now on here is limited content type. Let's see, duration. Click on categories and select marketing, service. Okay, marketing, email marketing, lead generation. You can. What else can you choose to do with content marketing, email marketing, not those two. So I'm probably guessing content marketing, email marketing best serves well. So once you selected that, you see these are the ones. So it will come up on, you know, digital advertising, digital marketing, what else? Blogging course, attracting and monetization. There you go. It's so many there. You can scroll through, check it out. Most of them are free. Now, don't get me wrong, there are paid ones out there where you might have to upgrade. But basic, if you want to know the basic, just get the free and learn the basics. And once you know the basics, you know, more you know, then you would like to maybe pay for a course or do certification of that. Okay, so that's HubSpot Academy. So that's the fourth one. So the last one is called futurelearn.com. You can see there, futurelearn.com. Now, what you do here is come subjects, courses. What was that? Subject. Why did I do it? So you click on create. Okay, let's go back. Let's do search back. Let's go back to the main page. Okay, so courses, subjects, bear with me guys, I believe I lost it. I should have been more prepared. Don't go anywhere. There you go. You click on, go back, let's go back. So subjects, select creative arts media, and then select writing, and then you've got 9 courses relating to writing. So you can see poetry, screenwriting, and choose whatever you want. Content marketing, I think it might be the best one there. These kind of show more writing courses. You can see, so that's writing a song. So here we go, guys. There are the 5 ways to learn copywriting for free. Like, just go, you know, websites, you know, browse and see what you guys think, and then leave a comment below what you guys thought. Have you done anything like that? And let me know. And leave a comment below. What else would you like me to do in the future? Upcoming videos. Give me ideas, and I'll shoot them for you guys. And please like and share. Like the video, share the video with your friends and family, and also leave a comment below, and I'm happy to reply back to those comments. So it's been a while, guys, shooting a video, so bear with me. I'm sorry, I'm a bit slow, not prepared as much quickly as I should, as best as I should. So I'm going to go now. You take care, have a lovely day, and you take care until next time. Bye bye.